Okay, cool. Hello, let's do this again and welcome back. This is my midday video. If you haven't seen my morning video where I showed you powerful tool how you can get results like this on your YouTube account, which is first month. Those results, guys, for the last 28 days, okay? Last 28 days, 12 million, over 12 million views and subscribers and stuff like this, and how this number changed from the previous morning. This morning it was about 9 o'clock, I showed you. Now we got what? Now we got 2:47 p.m. and in the morning the data was, you can check the previous video, this is the thumbnail on the previous video, and it was 85,800. So now I got, at this point I got what? At this point there is a video, yes, that's the video, okay, and still on the YouTube, and this is, now I'm getting 86,400. So what about 600 subscribers in what, in 5 hours? 5 hours, 600 subscribers, okay, on a restricted account, because my account, as you have been following me, okay, is restricted 7 days. YouTube banned me for violation of rules, and why I violated the rules, because my channel is about the war, okay. So, and if you do choose topics like this, it's very difficult to be very polite there. So anyway, numbers like this, this is what I'm showing you. Nobody is showing you as I'm doing. I'm quite sure on the whole YouTube you will not gonna find another person who is doing something like this, honestly, without covering, without exaggerating any income, because this is real-time update, as you can see, okay. And why I'm doing this? I'm doing this only for 7 days, because after 7 days YouTube will unblock me and I will be free to go, and I will not gonna have time to show you. But since YouTube blocked me for 7 days, I'm going kind of like doing fun here and trying to just help out how you can make thousands and thousands of views, millions in my case, views, thousands and thousands of subscribers on a brand new account. Okay, let's go into the details. Previous video again, go check my previous video, because that was the video where I shared with you one very powerful tool nobody is teaching out there, and I promise you that in this video I will share with you another powerful tool which is more powerful than the previous tool, actually, what I am using, that's allowing me to get those numbers here, okay. And for the sake of the confidence, that you would be very confident and know that I'm not scamming you here somehow or what, I can switch to 7 days. You can see my data. This is my data on 7 days, okay. You see 7 days here, right, 7 days here, and then I can switch my data on 365 days, you see, and that's all what I got, okay. That's all what I got. And you can see that here is nothing. On a March Saturday, 1, 2, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, anything is 0. They started only here on a March 25, which is 1 month ago, okay, 1 month ago, where started grow everything. Since 1 month, I got 13 million views, and I got more than 84,000 subscribers, and on my daily basis, I'm getting last 48 hours. Okay, and it's a real-time updating every 5 seconds. I'm getting more than 500,000 views every hour, every day. Okay, every day. All right. So how I am doing this? This is what I'm sharing with you in my videos. So go check them out, because in every video I'm giving you some really crazy nuggets that I think you would be paying to some YouTube guru thousands of dollars, but I'm doing this for free. Okay, so let's go. And the tool I'm using is, and again, I'm not sure if you have seen my previous videos, but this is not the tool. This is you know, this one, Okay, this is the vidIQ. This is free version. I'm not using them. I'm using vidIQ free version only, okay, because this data is kind of like so. I don't really like vidIQ. They just it's just a marketing trick, but I'm using them a little bit just to easier to follow, okay. That's not the tool I'm talking about. What I'm talking about is what I'm using to getting those crazy results is this one, okay. And again, this tool is in Russian. And repeating myself, I'm not the Russian, but I know Russian language, and I'm making my channel on Russian. So that's why I'm using this on Russian. And I was searching a little bit around what this tool is. This tool is the paraphrasing tool, okay? If I put here my main keyword, you see, if let's say I put here and keep just hold on with me, because I will explain. This is breaking. This is the result breaking tip what I'm gonna give it to you, because this is crazy. Nobody does that, okay. So just bear with me. I will tell you this in a second. Let me first explain what I'm doing and showing you my tool, in case some Russian guys are or who understand Russian can use this tool as well. This is my let's just imagine this is my it's written here that threats of the war, okay. If this is my main keyword, if this is my main tag, if this is what my main idea the video is about, okay, I'm putting here, and this is paraphrasing. It's paraphrasing my it's all kinds of like sorts of different crazy golden nuggets you can find here, okay. I will show you in a minute in English version something similar maybe. But this is what I'm talking about. Here I got the same phrases with the same meaning, and this is generated by Google, okay. It's generated by software, generated by system. What it means is, listen to me carefully right now, okay. This is how you're getting thousands and millions of views. If you, let's say you find something in your niche, and I will not gonna show you how you do this in this video, but perhaps you know already, okay? Some, whatever you call it, trending video, or very popular blogger, or very popular hot video or topic right now, or niche right now, or video which getting some kind of like video out there on YouTube which gets millions of views or hundreds of thousands of views, and you find out what is that the main keyword could be for that, but not to be the copycat. You use their keyword, let's say this one, the threats of the war, okay. This is not my keyword, this is not mine, this is theirs. This is the person who is doing something very, very crazy good on YouTube. I'm taking his phrase and I'm putting here in a paraphrasing tool, and the paraphrasing tool gives me everything related to this kind of like the same meaning, but just with the different expressions, and I'm using single one of them for my tags. Okay, you got it? So basically what it does, it gives a craziness to the Google, to the YouTube, that I am talking about the same subject, which is in that crazy hot trending video. You got it? I hope you got it, okay? So for the English version, it could be something like this. It's just, I don't know, I'm just like, you know, this is what I was founding very quickly. It's kind of like you can find yourself, it's paraphrasing online.com or something, whatever. But here is the thing. Let's say this threats of the war would be my kind of like the main tag, what I'm like, or I'm putting in my title and say, so just paraphrase it, okay? Paraphrase and look at here. And this tool, I don't know why it's working so slow, maybe thinking too low. Anyway, maybe I have to refresh the page. Shouldn't be so long. I will refresh the page now. Okay. Threads of war. I want to show you how it works. And paraphrase. Okay, threads of war does not really paraphrase. Maybe did I misspell it? Threads of war. Pleasures of war. Stupidity. Joys of war. Anyway, you got the point. Okay, this is very stupid, but I don't know for why reason, because this I don't know this tool. I'm showing you just the tool, which first tool I got online. I'm not using English version, but it's the same idea. If you find yourself the paraphrasing online tool, free tool, the thing what you do is put the keyword which is for the high trending videos out there, their keyword, their whatever it is, their phrase, put it here in a paraphrasing tool. You got the paraphrasing object here. Okay, I think you can get a lot of things in this paraphrasing stuff here and blah blah blah. But anyway, I hope you got an idea, because I don't want to go deeper in this one. This is not what I'm using. I'm using in Russian, and in a Russian language they have, I believe you do have in English as well. And those all those names are so good. When I use them, that's how I'm getting those results, guys. This is how I'm getting the views. This is how I'm getting the watch time. Okay, this is how I'm getting the subscribers. Okay, this is how I'm getting those crazy results over here, subscribers and views. Okay, and you can see some of my videos. I'm just putting over here this piece of paper. I don't want to expose it, but those are my videos, and you can see the views there. See the views there. So it's kind of like, and this is considerably, what do you think? 171,000 views, because I got, how many subscribers I got? I got 84,000 subscribers. Double views, almost double. Okay, so this is not bad. So this is how you use the free paraphrasing tool to getting those results. I hope it really helps you. Watch those videos, follow me. The next update will gonna be tonight about 9 or something. What we got now? 3 o'clock? Yeah, about 9. In 6 hours we'll see how this number will change. What do you think? Can I hit 87,000 in 6 hours? We're gonna see. Come back in 6 hours. You're gonna see in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.